available, my viewers, not me. I'm just... Hello guys, please like and share and comment guys. Di ka pala nag-live kung araw ko. Oo, kasi busy ako kanina, nag-ano kami, nag-church. Sorry, I cannot stay. I live on Little Farm. Have yours to do. Okay, you can come on my next live. Thank you for watching. Going sir. Little Farm have. Okay. I mean, I watch you all the time, but I comment often, but today I cannot. Okay, then you guys. I have honors to chat with you again. Okay, you can chat me on my Instagram. You can chat me on my Telegram. You can chat me on my Facebook, my Messenger. Going nurture. Harry Santino. Oh, on the bridge. No way. It's no way. Tulog na, baby. Oo. Ito, isang likod ko. Isang likod-likod. Sorry ha, yung baklan ko kasi hindi pa natapos yung room ko. Nasira na agad, hindi pa. Hindi, pag tinulungan niyo ako na you have to help me, I can prepare this room. Because this one, the paint, I can't finish. And maybe I will renovate this room when I get money on the salary on YouTube if you help me guys to watch and don't skip ads. By that way you can help me guys because that makes money as hello Anna Smiley 25. No? Hi. Hello everyone. I know it's late at night, but I have to make live because this is my job for now. For the meantime that my son is going to school, and he's only 6. I need to, I need to guide to go to school because this is, it's parehas na ibang bansa. If I get your password, you think about... Yes, I'll be going to America. If somebody will sponsor me to go to America, I will do that opportunity to get there and to work because I have to face plan for the future of my son. Not for me, but for my son. I have to go to other place because Philippines, it's so hard to find job here. If you have no relatives in the big positions in the politics, you cannot go easily to work. So home, you can work. Not home to home, not home, in this, but home, you know that. So close to your heart. Some of workers are, can work when they have relatives in the bigger position. You can easily get a good job in our, in Philippines. But I'm trying my best to do some rackets to, to raise my son with my own. Just like here in YouTube, I go here for life, I go for everything, and some make money on other rackets. It's like selling online. That's it. Hi. You are blessed. Yes, I'm blessed because I am contented. I'm happy. I'm so blessed because God gave me strength to face every day in my life. We need to kiss and hugs. Okay. You have WhatsApp lower motor. You can't privately talk here in live because there's so many,